Bea, this is a messy one.
I'm excited.
Mr. Franks was getting his house painted, and check this out. Someone tracked red paint all over his floor. He needs to know which painter is responsible.
Easy, Sammy. We'll just check their shoes.
One step ahead of you, Bea. But the paint's been washed off. The evidence is gone.
Not so fast, Sammy. We can still make a comparison. Now this is where it'll get really messy. Pour some paint on a plate. We're going to lightly dip the shoe in paint. And then we'll stamp it on paper. Oh, that one's a little messy. Let's see if this one comes out any better.
That was a good call,
There we go. Now let's do it with the other shoes.
Bea. Here you go.
Thank you.
Now put it on there, Bea. Perfect.
Perfect.
Right
You
now-
got one more?
Yes, I do.
There we
Perfect,
go.
Bea.
Now look, Sammy, which prints match?
I think it was the first one you did. Number 1 matches with the print found at the crime scene.
Yes, it is. Number 1 is our clumsy painter.
I'll go tell Mr. Franks. Thanks again, Bea.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.